Warren Buffett once shared a compelling narrative about a friend from Columbia Business School. This friend, equipped with intelligence, a strong work ethic, and admirable character, embarked on a career path that diverged significantly from Buffett's own. Opting for the steel industry, he secured a respectable living, in stark contrast to Buffett's journey with his investment partnership and eventual evolution of Berkshire Hathaway. This divergence underscored a profound lesson. The essence of success isn't merely in the effort exerted, but significantly influenced by the chosen path. In a keynote aimed at exploring Level 7 entrepreneurship, a concept representing the pinnacle of business mastery, the essence of evaluating and seizing opportunities was delved into. This presentation, cherished as one of the most impactful, sought to impart valuable insights into opportunity appraisal. Introducing Alex Hormozi, the founder of Acquisition.com, a conglomerate amassing around $85 million annually. Hormozi's journey from a struggling entrepreneur to a financial powerhouse serves as a testament to the transformative power of resilience, strategic planning, and seizing the right opportunities. Hormozi's narrative transitions into a discourse on entrepreneurship, touching upon the various tiers of entrepreneurial success and the pivotal realization that businesses should be viewed as vessels to augment personal wealth. Through his ventures, Hormozi has navigated the complex landscape of business, yielding dividends that surpass the earnings of notable CEOs, a feat achieved in his 20s. Embarking on a phase of consolidation, he reflects on the significance of distilling experiences into actionable frameworks. This process not only aids in personal growth, but sets the stage for future endeavors. Among the lessons shared, Hormozi emphasizes the nuanced understanding that while wealth can resolve financial dilemmas, it unveils challenges that money alone cannot surmount. Hormozi's observations shed light on the paradoxical nature of success and the often overlooked aspects of entrepreneurial endeavors. He highlights a universal truth. The quest for wealth is inherently solitary, with genuine support being a rarity. Moreover, he advocates for a re-evaluation of the conventional pursuit of passive income, arguing for the vitality of active engagement and the pursuit of meaningful endeavors. At the heart of Hormozi's philosophy lies the conviction that true mastery in business requires not just hard work but strategic foresight. This perspective is encapsulated in the 4 critical frameworks he outlines for entrepreneurial success. Number 1, scale the entrepreneur. This framework emphasizes the need for personal growth and development as the foundational step in business success. He suggests that entrepreneurs must continuously enhance their skills, character traits, and beliefs to overcome limitations and drive their ventures forward. Number 2, scale the market. Understanding and selecting the right market is crucial for exponential growth. Hormozi encourages choosing markets that are not only large and growing, but also align with the entrepreneur's capacity to deliver value. This strategic selection is key to achieving significant scale. Number 3, scale the deliverable. This framework focuses on maximizing the leverage of what the business offers, whether it's a product, service, or a combination thereof. Hormozi highlights the importance of using technology, systems, and innovative delivery methods to increase the impact and reach of the business's core deliverables. Number 4, scale the business. Finally, this framework addresses the operational and strategic aspects of scaling the business itself. It involves professionalizing the business, optimizing internal functions, attracting top talent, and potentially diversifying revenue streams to ensure sustainable growth and scalability. His journey, marked by strategic decisions and a relentless pursuit of growth, serves as an inspiring blueprint for entrepreneurs. Through his frameworks, he provides a roadmap for navigating the intricate path to business success, underscoring the importance of strategic thinking, personal development, and the relentless pursuit of opportunities. Where will your pursuit lead you?